All right, we're coming down the home stretch. Now, the next two pieces you're actually going to learn about in the next two videos. One is how to invite somebody to get the solar proposal. So you're going to watch the video on that. And number two is how to invite somebody to become a Powur partner with you in your business. You're going to see another video on that. So yes, you can read the playbook. Yes, there's some great information in here. I recommend you read that, but you're really going to want to dive into those videos in just a second. Now, Jonathan's going to talk to you about commitment, because a lot of the success that you're going to achieve is based on the commitments that you achieve every single day. So you want to talk about that?
That's right. And I think it's important that you take the time to read the 10 commitments below. But what I really want to say, it's your level of commitment is truly what's going to determine your ability to create impact and income. The more committed that you are to achieving your goals, the more committed you are to actualizing the why that you wrote down at the beginning of the playbook, the more committed you are to take the action that it takes every single day to be successful, the more successful you're going to become. Life and success is about commitments. So I encourage you, find a bigger reason to play big. Find a bigger reason to give this your all. Find a bigger reason than maybe you've ever found in your life before to be truly committed to what you are up to at Powur. Because I promise you, this business can change your life. This community can change your life. You will change your life by being more committed and unlocking your potential and letting the infectious energy of our mission and our vision and the change that we're making in the world actually get into your DNA and get into your psyche. It'll change you, it's infectious, it'll infect the people you know, and it's so much fun, so be committed. And lastly, Jim's gonna take us home.
Because we're here to help. I mean, you've got an amazing support. Jonathan's here, I'm here, Bobby's here, Vanessa's here, Andrea's here, Beth's here. We've got a whole team at corporate that's here to help you, but we're also in the field with you every single day. We're going shoulder to shoulder to help you. So check out the We're Here to Help page. It'll tell you exactly how to connect with us. But we're on Facebook, we're available by phones. I mean, we are in this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week until we handle the planet. So we're super excited to connect you in the next videos. Go ahead, again, review the playbook, get it in your DNA as Jonathan talked about, and we'll meet you in the next video in just a moment.